Right, Maize Part 2 is underway. Rob's back on with the rape again. There's not a lot left. We're going to run out of that in a minute. It's a bit of a long draw, so trailers are either coming together or there's big gaps. In a minute, we will jump in when Ollie gets back and show you his very fancy new trailer. What a beautiful night for it.
Josh, look busy, for goodness sake.
Look how green it is. This stuff wasn't fit when we did the rest of it earlier on. So what was there, 30 odd acres to do? So that's getting done now. And how are you feeling now?
Loads better.
A few beverages yesterday afternoon. There's another trailer waiting.
No, only trailers for 8. I think there's 8 trailers on that.
They're like London buses. All come together. That's it. Ollie, wear out your tyres.
Yeah, he's been doing that a bit. Not quite the same as the 939 pushing up, but he keeps up pretty well.
No, it's not. But he had a big weight on the back as well.
He does.
I don't think Ollie's got one, is it?
Ollie's got a vent weight on the back.
Oh, yeah, he's got
one.
Jesse was flashing his lights at us, so we'll go and film him. Don't tip your trailer over, Jesse. That is a big tractor. Claas 870 Action. There you are, look, one turns up, and here comes another one. So that sun is bright. Lovely bit of reversing. I'm going to stand behind this post and then I can't get flattened by anything. In that one as well. Oh, the dust. Whew. So any of the Richard Weston trailers, they belong to Yendall's. So the guy on the pit, he's also from Yendall's. And then if you see a Roland trailer, that's from a company called BG Pierce, as well as the K2 trailers, which we're going to see in a minute. I've got my feet muddy. Ollie is not going to like that in his cab. They've all turned up at once. Pierce's trailer here now. Bit of straw in the diet never hurt, bit of fibre. Oh, we'll have some very high protein bedding. Yes. It's a bit of a long draw for 3 trailers. Oh, imagine, bang. Right, change of angle. 2 trailers in here. Look behind this Roland. Devon's pink trailer. Look at it, Rosie. Matches your jumper.
What a good cause, eh?
I'm going to jump in and do a load with Ollie, but I'll grab my drone, I think. I'll go with him. We better get this bit on camera. Let the ejection begin. So I have no idea what spec of K2 trailer this is, but as you can see, it's all been sign written up. There's a barcode on there if you want to scan it, or you can follow it there at Devon's Pink Trailer on Facebook and Instagram. He's even got an easy sheet on that. God. Lovely job. Oh, that's cool how that goes in and down. Right, we'll let Ollie turn around and then we'll go and get a load with him. My drone's in his cab, so I'll try and get that up in the field when we get where we're going. What do you guys think of the trailer then? Yeah, sort of running out of space to tip here. tripod ollie on the pit, can't see anything because look how low that sun is. Right over the top of the pit. Let's wash our feet. It doesn't take very long to tip, does it? One, push it out.
Yeah, no, it's very good.
And you can go worry about tipping it up. I do.
Yeah, that's right, because most of it shouldn't be tipped in. It's like 40 there, you can't tip right up.
Yeah. People got indoor clamps, haven't they? And you got an easy sheet. Fully compliant.
Fully rigged.
Right, 45 minutes to the field. Giving it the lights. Traffic jam. The thing is, Dan can pull in there, but the one behind him can't. Right, we finally found a field. I just got the drone up. Trailer is all liveried up like it is, just for cancer research. Bernie Pierce, so BG Pierce, sadly passed away. I can't remember if it was earlier this year, I think it was, of cancer. So they've had the trailer liveried up to raise some money and raise awareness, which is obviously really nice. So yeah, I'll put some of the links for that trailer below in the description. And we'll get to doing some droning here and filming and see what's on.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
That 990 is absolutely massive. Not going to be a lot left in this field. I think this might be the last one as well.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing.
Right, you won't be able to see much, We've now got 2 buck rays on the pit. Really hard to get any decent drone footage in the dark as well. So anyway, there's about 10 acres left, so I'm going home. We're not going to sheet down tonight. We'll do that tomorrow after we've milked in the morning. Oh no, we've got some light. So yeah, they got a little bit left to do. We're going to sheet down in the morning. I will put as much information as I can find about that trailer down in the link in the description. It's on Instagram and Facebook, so by all means go and follow it. It's all just to, as I said earlier, raise awareness for cancer and help support cancer research. So all good things. Right, next morning, milking all done. Rob's just given the pit one final roll, and then we're going to chuck this sheet on, quick smart, and get out of it because it's a Sunday morning. I probably ought to shovel this bit around a bit. Right,
get up there,
let's force him off the pit. Yes! Oh, do you want it out over the side? Okay. Give it that one. There's about 10 acres too much in here.
Yes.
At least it's not windy like it was last time. That was hell. You got man flu as well? No, I can't see because you heard. We're trying to kick Rob off the pit. Keep pulling the sheet towards him.
Get him off.
Yeah. Get off the pit, Rob. Christ.
I think I pulled this out from underneath Josh.
Oh, right. Will you? Sod off. I've got spare here. A big amount. Yes. I don't think I have this weekend. You've done it. Oh, the lights. Someone left the hose on in the dairy last night. Oh, I'm still on it, sorry. Pull the black sheet over it, keep it there on it. You sound rough. Somebody passed it on to me, I thought it was Rich. They put a dirt lump in it here, look. Come on, water. Trying to expel some water. I start pulling this across this sheet. Oh, perfect. They're going to employ me at Wimbledon this year, I reckon. Oh, hang on, Murph. I need to go back up through because this one needs to be on top of that one. I reckon just pin it down today, tar it tomorrow. I thought you guys would be down at 5 this morning, sheeting down. Oh.
We would have, but it was too dangerous and dark. We had the kids.
Oh, I'll tell you what else I did yesterday. I was in the tractor rolling with Rob, got out and fell straight over in the Maize pit backwards. Rob just looked at me in disbelief.
I was literally unrolling it and then...
And we've done it back to front as well.
I'm sorry, when we opened the bag up, we didn't realise it was going to be that way around. Jeez.
Can't get the staff. I just can't get the staff.
Neither did you, Richard. Well, I was going to say, but I didn't like to say. Put it down, or you spinning it, or... I don't know. Holding it there like a big rock. Spin it. Put it down on the ground then. Whatever you do, not work.
Oh, there it's spinning.
Yeah, that's a lot better idea. You do all follow and we'll just sit here and cut. Yeah, well, it's better than you not holding it like a fucking handbrake.
I thought I was going to say handbag. Are you happy for me to cut it where I am, or do you want me to roll it back a bit? Oh, my word.
Just take it too far, Rob. Sorry, just take it too far.
Oh, I was on a roll then, did you see that? It was like going through butter. But what I mean is I've got to get that sheet underneath this one. What I meant was that's all folded under that sheet, so I wanted to carry it on like it was. Oh, look, that's what I said. Oh, damn it, Rich. Oh. You need to go home. Think about what you just did. We're back on the road. This is what being chased by 6 bulls looks like. And a few heifers. See if Rob can get past. But TB testing tomorrow, so bulls are coming home. Just catching my breath up a bit now. Rob's down there on the road with the cattle. Hopefully they don't jump that bank. That would not be ideal. I need to keep moving because I've got to get up there with him. Right, we're going to try and separate the heifers here. Come on, good girls. Well done.
The next gate, Josh, and then we can shut her in the shed.
Right, we're just ejecting the red gang from the shed. They've been in there since milking this morning, having a belly full. That cow there had twins the other day, early. We put, she's hunched over, we put some pessaries in her this morning, or Rob did, just to try and clean her out a bit, because, again, twins are no good. Oh, one down there as well. We just picked up a couple cows' feet for a recheck, one that's had a stab wound up its foot, a bit of digi on it, and a cow that's got toe necrosis. It's like an ongoing thing. So we've done those. They're with the red gang, obviously, so they're just going back. Those bulls and heifers that we ran back. The bulls are now up on that bank. We've got them home because we're TB testing tomorrow. And the heifers are currently down there, you probably can't see them. We're going to let them in the shed, they can have a feed. We think they're all empty, and if that's the case, they'll go with the main herd and just fatten up, and then they'll go. If we get them in the shed, they get used to the yolks and have a bit of feed, and then they'll lock their heads up tomorrow for TB testing. Well done, Cal, that's a nice looking calf. Yeah, having a belly full of colostrum. He's not very old, he is soaking wet. Right, cow and calf successfully in. Milk tanker successfully fixed and gone by the looks of it. Let's move this weapon of a thing. This Ford 4000 was one of the first tractors I drove about 15 years ago. The tuno's been fixed this morning as well. Rob just had to reset it, so that's all good. Now, I actually found this clip whilst editing, so Rob must have done a bit of filming whilst I wasn't looking. But this is a cow that we blocked the other day and the block fell off. Oh, that's having a poo. So we put a new block on her just to take the weight off of the back of her heel there. That's all sprayed silver. That silver spray is incredible. And hopefully her foot will start to heal up a bit. There's a little bit of inflammation there because she's been stood on the wrong part after the block fell off. Right, not a lot left to do now other than set some gates up for milking tonight. I don't know what this video would have entailed. Bit of maize, running cows around, bit of sheeting down, all the good stuff. There is the finished article with the maize pit. Took about an hour for us to sheet that down. It was me, Millie, Rob and Rich, there's 4 of us. Not too bad. Feed is all out ready for tonight. There you are, look. And tomorrow morning, TB testing. Just come along and twist these up before they come out, so that when they put their heads through, they get locked up. It's nice and easy then for the vet tech to go along and just do one, let them out, do one, let them out, all the way along. Right, we finished doing all that odd jobs today. I think we're ready for TB testing tomorrow. Time will tell. Your mics have run out of battery because I'm such a good YouTuber. I'm going home for lunch. We'll come back and fight some flies this afternoon. They are going to be proper bad today. They were bad enough this morning. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always, like and subscribe. Check out the links below for the pink trailer, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.